Aabot umano sa higit 20,000 tao ang namatay sa war on drugs ng nagdaang Administrasyong Duterte. Yan ang natukoy sa pagdinig ng House Committee on Human Rights ukol sa issue. Ngayong araw, kahit naka-sine die adjournment ang Kongreso, ipinagpatuloy ng komite ang kanilang investigasyon. Personal na humarap dito sina dating Executive Secretary Salvador Medaldea at mga dating PNP Chief ng nagdaang administrasyon na sina retired Generals Oscar Albayalde at Dibold Sinas. Ayon kay House Human Rights Panel Chair Bienvenido Abante Jr., wala silang ibang intensyon sa pagdinig kundi mailabas ang katotohanan. Inilatag ni Free Legal Assistance Group Head Attorney Chel Diokno ang kanilang datos ukol sa war on drugs, kasabay ng panawagan para sa hustisya. Habang ang kampo ng dating administrasyon umalma naman sa mga paratang laban sa kanila.
There has been much debate about how many persons have been killed in the war on drugs during the last administration. Some of the estimates have been as low as 12,000, while the NGOs have put the figure at about 30,000. But there is one number that is unassailable because this comes from the Office of the President and was cited in an extended resolution of the Supreme Court. And that number is 20,322 persons killed in the war on drugs.
Who is the president you're referring to?
The former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Your Honor.
I'm quite surprised with the sweeping statement of Attorney Diokno. First of all, those copies, kung meron man, are part of the privileged communication ng Office of the President. If there was such a report given, ma'am, I cannot disclose that because I'm barred. Kasi sir, maraming may 3,000 na pinatay, merong 6,200. Ngayon nagulat ako, meron 20,000. Ano naman ho ito? Saan ho galing itong 20,000 na ito? Any Tom, Dick, and Harry can just say, 15,000 ang pinatay, 20,000 ang pinatay. Ngayon, 20 na. Nagumpisa tayo sa 6. Paano naman yan? How can we answer with sufficient definite?
Tinatanong ko lang po kung have you seen this report po na sinasabi? Okay.
I don't think I've seen that report.